So dear students, in our last section, we have seen the conversion from postfix to infix. Now, in this section, we will see the conversion from postfix to prefix expression. Now, what is postfix? Postfix is nothing but type of AB plus, where the operator is present after the operands, and we have to convert this postfix expression to prefix expression. That is, prefix means your operator will be present before the operands, it becomes plus AB. So this conversion process we have to see today in this section. So for converting from postfix to prefix, we will scan the element of expression. We have to scan each and every element of the given expression from left to right. So whatever expression we are having, whenever we are converting the expression from postfix to infix, or from postfix to prefix, we have to scan the elements from left to right. We are scanning each and every element of expression from left to right, and then we will be performing the steps. So when we are scanning the expressions from elements from left to right, if any particular operand is found, then we will push that operand on the stack of the top. Means whenever there is any operand in the expression, we will directly push or directly move that operand to the stack, and it will be present at top of the stack. And when any particular operator is found, we will pop the two topmost elements, that is element at top and element next to the top. Means whenever any operator is encountered or found, what we will do, we will directly remove or directly pop the two elements that, or two operands that are present in the stack, that is top of the stack and next element after the top, that we will be popping or removing. And then we are pushing that expression in such a way that the expression will become B, A and the operator. Means suppose we are having A, B, C. Now A is at top and it is the next element. What we will be doing? We will be having the operator, and we are as the operator is encountered, we are removing or this particular operands from the stack. So after removing or popping the operands from the stack, we have to fix the operator. Now as we are doing the postfix to prefix, so the operator should be before operands. So we will place the operator before the operands, and the expression becomes this star BA, which is in the format of operator, operand, operand. So in this way, we will continue the steps until the last element of our expression is found, and after last element of expression we will stop and we will have the final expression in the format of prefix. So these are the steps in which we can perform the postfix to prefix conversion, where we are scanning from left to right. If operand is found, we will move that operand to the stack. If operator is found, we will pop the two operands from the stack, that is top of the stack and next element of the top of the stack, and we will place the operator before the operands so that we can have the prefix expression. So in this way the conversion of postfix to prefix is done. Now in our next section we will see the example on this postfix to prefix. Thank you.